This is it for week 7. In week 7, we learned how to customize your graphs, how to add a little bit of complexity, and how to manipulate them and turn them into what you want. We did this first with a scatter plot and then with a more advanced bar chart. And then I introduced a range of more exotic plots like the alluvial plot, the ridgeline plot, and I believe the lollipop plot, right? So in this summary, I just want to leave you with some general advice when you're thinking about visualizing your results. First, before you touch R, really think about what is it that you want to say, right? What is your main message? In any good graphic, your main takeaway should come out. A graphic is only good when it really highlights something that a graph can say better than a table or a sentence, right? This is when really graphs shine. So first think about your main message and really, sit down, not looking at the screen, and think about what is it that I want to show. Maybe even draw it up on a piece of paper, and then you see how to translate it into art. Second, do get some inspiration online. I for example, myself, I love this site here, r-graph-gallery.com. There's a range of interesting plots on here, and for each one, the author actually shows you also some code on how to produce it. For example, here, let's take a bubble plot, and there's some beautiful bubble plots here, and the author shows how to customize it and how to make it look pretty. And the art community is really common to take code from here and there and then use it, sample it to build your own solution for your very own problem. So do get some inspiration online. And then the third advice is just tweak it. It will come with experience. For each plot that I'm building, there's probably something I still look up. It's not that everything is just in memory and there are so many sort of easy graphs that you can pop out. If you want to get a graph to look really beautiful, there's some customization involved, and it will require patience and time and some experience. So I hope you can try it out with your own data. As always, in every week, we have put together some exercises, first based on our student data set we use in class. This time, actually, we'll have you also replicate a graph that we have already developed, and then you're supposed to look at this graph and think about, okay, how can I produce this with our data set? And then we have, as always, some exercises here prepared for you to do with your own data set. And as always, some more helpful resources online. I've shown you a couple of examples on how to produce graphs with ggplot and some of the extensions that users have written. But as always in R, there are many roads that lead to Rome, and many new packages come out every year or so. So keep yourself updated and try out different things.